60 word per minute English dictation. 5 second. Start. Para. To the nations and peoples of the world, we send greetings and pledge ourselves to cooperate with them in furthering peace, freedom, and democracy, and to India, our much loved motherland, the ancient, the eternal, and the ever new. We pay our reverent homage and we bind ourselves afresh to her service. Para. Para. Dear sirs, we are in receipt of your kind letter of 1st May. It is indeed a matter of regret to us that our negligence has given you reason to complain. From what you have seen of us in the course of our long standing business relations, you must have been convinced that we are ever mindful of the interest of our valued customers. It is our duty, therefore, to clean up the charge of negligence rightly brought against us by you, if only to remove the blot on the fair name of our firm. Para. Our business manager, who is in sole charge of the Mofussil Order Department, has been absent for some time due to illness. During his absence, the work of this department has been entrusted to a new hand. As this is a particularly busy season, it is quite likely that some mistake might have occurred due to oversight, but we assure you that the negligence complained of was not deliberate. It was purely accidental, owing to circumstances over which we had no control. We would now request you to be good enough to send back the unapproved goods, debiting the cost of carriage to our account. If you would also kindly give us a list of the glassware which suffered breakage, we would be glad to replace the articles at our cost. Para. Hoping to be excused for the inconvenience caused, yours very truly,